Hello and welcome back to our channel where every video has links to our favorite vendors that provide our favorite products and services for the topics covered in the video. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 colorful flower arrangements that will brighten up any room in your home. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Wildflower Bouquet. Starting off at number 5, we have the Wildflower Bouquet. This arrangement is perfect for those who love a natural and organic look. Wildflowers come in a range of colors, from bright pinks and purples to soft yellows and whites. They're easy to find at your local flower shop or even in your own backyard. Just gather a few stems, tie them together with a ribbon or twine, and you have a beautiful and colorful arrangement. Number 4. Succulent Garden. Coming in at number 4, we have the Succulent Garden. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option, succulents are a great choice. They come in a variety of colors and textures and can be arranged in a shallow dish or a terrarium. Plus, they can be replanted and grown again and again. Number 3. Peony Bouquet. At number 3, we have the Peony Bouquet. Peonies are one of the most popular flowers for their bright and bold colors, including pink, red, and white. They're also known for their sweet fragrance and soft, delicate petals. A peony bouquet is perfect for adding a pop of color and elegance to any room. Number 2. Sunflower Arrangement. Coming in at number 2, we have the Sunflower Arrangement. Sunflowers are known for their bright yellow petals and large size, making them a statement flower. They're perfect for adding a touch of warmth and cheer to your home. You can arrange them in a vase or even use them as a centerpiece for a summer party. Number 1. Rainbow Rose Bouquet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rainbow Rose Bouquet. This arrangement is perfect for those who love bold and vibrant colors. Rainbow roses are created by injecting dye into the stems, resulting in petals that are a mix of bright colors. They're sure to add a fun and playful touch to any room. And there you have it, guys, my top 5 colorful flower arrangements to brighten up your home. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the description below for links that'll help you find the perfect flowers for your home. If you found this video informative, subscribe to our channel for more great videos and make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, every video on our channel has links to get you the best deals on the products and services in the video. And as always, thanks for watching.